Hola, language learners. So have you been watching the World Cup in Spanish but have no idea what the commentators are saying? If so, you've come to the right place because this is part 2 of Soccer Words in Spanish. Number 1. When you hear the commentators say el equipo means the team. The team. Number 2. La cancha. La cancha is the field. Number 3, la pelota. You can also say el balón. That is the ball. Number 4, saque la esquina. Saque la esquina means corner kick. Number 5, el jugador. El jugador is the player. Plural, los jugadores means the players. Number 6, la derecha. La derecha means the right. Number 7, la izquierda. La izquierda means the left. Number 8, el centro. El centro is the middle or center. Number 9, el mediocampista. El mediocampista is the midfielder. And number 10, el delantero. El delantero is the forward. Great job, language learners. Please stay tuned for part 3 of Soccer Words in Spanish. Like and subscribe for more. Adelante!